Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to post professionally on Instagram. So what does that mean, professionally posting? So basically what people do is just simply upload that photo without adding any kind of filter or adding any location or professional. It does mean is posting any kind of photo in a right way, like so that your post looks more cool and more oriented. So it's all about that. So what you need to do is add any kind of, just pick up any kind of photo which you want to add, and you can also choose that filter, which will, you can see it's looking way more cool than before. Okay, so you can simply choose any Instagram filter which you want to add, and after that you can select and you can adjust all the, you can see you can also adjust the you can rotate, and you can do more things. So let me just show you. Alright, you can also adjust the brightness according to your needs, and you can do other option as well if you want to do it, but I'm just skipping that part. Now you can also add the location, which is, you can see I'm just selecting Dhaka, and you can just simply add the location, and also you can add any kind of caption, any appropriate caption of which describe about the photo, or you can also describe about your mood, which is the caption. So in this way you can just post a photo professionally on Instagram.